Well, welcome. So by now you have received your beautiful Neogentek beauty wand, and I'm here to explain how to use it. So let's begin. The bottom button, you're just going to hold it down, and that will turn on the wand. Now, if you'd like to change to different speeds, the top button will be low, medium, and high throughout the duration of any type of cycle of treatment that you choose. All right, so that's just up on top is for the low, medium, and high. Now, when we are on the first red light therapy, which really is ideal for depuffing the skin, building collagen, you will have 3 minutes before you get a buzzing sound to tell you that you're at 3 of 12 minutes, which is what the wand is pre-timed for if you choose to use that. So at that 3-minute buzz, you can stay on the red light therapy. You can use it for the entire 12 minutes. Or if you'd like, when you get that buzz, 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 you can then change to the blue light therapy. Again, in 3 more minutes, buzz, 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 you can stay on the blue. The blue light turns off the microcurrent automatically. So it's just the vibration therapy. So when you have a 9-in-1 wand, you have 9 different ways of working with the different controls. All right. And then when you get the third 3-minute buzz, 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 you can turn it to the purple. Okay. Know that they has a 360-degree turning, so you can angle the wand at any position you would like. So what I'd like to do now is just explain to you what the different lights are for. The red light therapy, again, it bulks collagen while it's depuffing the face. So let's say you were going to do your entire face with the red light therapy. Here's what's super, super important, because you have to remember everybody's different. We have different lifestyles. We eat different. Even on different days, you're going to use the wand differently. 2 things that can always make a difference. Number 1, slower is better, less is more. What I mean by that is if you're moving the wand in an upward motion, because gravity is taking your skin and your cells down, don't go there. Just lift, lift, lift. The slower you go, the more the treatment will work because you're catching all the cells, all the particles. The other thing is, this is battery operated after it's been charged. Please never use water on the beauty device. It would harm the device. So when you're getting ready to do our treatment, you're going to use the Centella activating serum. This is a beautiful, beautiful all-natural product. Just know when you're doing microcurrent, you have to use a natural ingredient, and this is the best of the best because it's for all skin types, and it won't dry out the skin. On the flip side, it will not make the skin oily. So you're going to put 3 drops, and then you're going to put that on literally your entire face. If you need more, that's fine. Use more. We believe that 3 drops per use of the wand, and then 1 more time daily. It can be used as your daily. We recommend it to be used as your daily serum as well. Why? Because it's absolutely fantastic. So again, quadrant 1 in the red light, you're building over the cheekbone, over to the side. Make sure you're coming up into those hair follicles because it will activate hair growth. When you get up into that puffy eye, make sure you turn the wand so you can really get in there. And keep in mind, red light therapy is proven, scientifically proven, that it will not hurt your eyes. It won't hurt your skin. It's not UV light. Bring it up around the side of the eye and bring it out. So that would be your quadrant 1. And I like to bring it down through the canal of the sinus and then roll it out. And you can choose to roll it out. This is really your choice on how comfortable this is, even holding the wand this way. Now, ideally, because I've got gravity pulling me down, right, when I'm sitting north to south, if you sit down with your head back or lay down, you're actually going to get a better treatment. So this would be quadrant 1, or one of 4. Here's another quadrant, the other side of the face, same. Now the 3 buzzes have come, but I'm going to leave it on the red light. So once I've completed that 3 minutes, I come over to the other side. So if you choose to use the buzzing, it's a 12-minute treatment. The question always is, how much can I use it? As much as you like. How little daily? How little can I use it? As little as 5 minutes a day. So if you have just a quick moment and there's puffy eyes, or let's say you just want to plump up the lips, go ahead, right? The third quadrant would be the neck. Make sure you come all the way to the side. See how I'm turning the wand, lifting it, come up, get into those hair follicles. So you can do it in a slow motion, coming up right to that chin, or you can do it this way, up to the chin. When you're in the center, I want you to come over the chin to the lip. And don't be afraid to plump those lips with the red light LED, because you put it right on the lip, it's gorgeous. Just know that on our YouTube channel, Neogentek, we're going to have all short videos of every quadrant, every modality. Don't worry, I'm just giving you your starter, introductory, and to tell you how excited I am that you're here. The fourth quadrant would be where we typically get some pretty deep wrinkles going all the way up, getting into that hair follicle. I like to do this over my eyebrows because I want those eyebrows to grow. And it also brings those, you'll feel the microcurrent working. And that's giving your eyes a lift. Woohoo! Who doesn't want that in their lives? Okay? So that's the 4 quadrants. Now, at the blue light, like I had said, it'll automatically turn off. At the top, it'll say EMS. EMS stands for the microcurrent, all right? Electromagnetic stimulation. So it turns off the microcurrent, so all you'll get is vibrational therapy. So the blue light is really for repair, for cleaning acne, for helping with discoloration. It really helps take the toxins out of the body. And then the next section is purple, and that combines the blue and the red light, the microcurrent, the EMS comes back on. Again, you have your top button for low, medium, and high. The vibration therapy, if you want to shut that off and just feel microcurrent on the red and the purple lights, just hit this lower button twice and your vibration shuts off. Hit it again, and your vibration comes back on. So the vibration stimulates the blood while the microcurrent is going deep into the cells and literally massaging your cells from the inside out to give you a rich, plump, radiant glow. And last but not least, again, is your 360. So our 9-in-1 device is the first of its kind on the market. Neogentek is innovative. This is a market-disrupting product, and we are so excited that you've chosen to purchase it. Thank you, and go to our YouTube channel for more information. Have a great day, friend, and welcome.